Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One air fryer too many, and today I am unboxing and reviewing this, the new Cosori Turbo Tower COMPACT air fryer. This is going to be very interesting because I unboxed the Turbo Tower Pro about 6 or 7 months ago, and I named that the best air fryer to date that is available on the market. Head over and check out those videos after this one. So I thought, right, let's get this one, let's get it unboxed, let's measure it, let's see how compact it really is, and is it worth buying this if you've got a little bit less space in your kitchen, or if you've got a camper van or anything like that, is it worth buying this one instead? So we'll get it unboxed and we'll see what it's about. Right, let's jump straight into it. Right, so first thing to say is this is 8.6 litre capacity, and as you can see by the picture, it is the tower sort of look, so the stacked version. So let's open this up and have a look. So we've got the pack with, or the starter guide pack with everything in. And then this is what we've got inside this big box. So actually the box is deceiving. I thought, wow, how is this compact? Because the box is huge. However, it's just well packed. Then there's nothing else in the box apart from the base. Right, okay, so are we ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! I'll tell you what, they weren't wrong, were they? This thing really is compact. Wow, that is insane. For the little footprint of this, 8.6 litres. Right, let's get all these bits off. Now, one thing I will say straight away is, it doesn't feel as premium as the Turbo Tower Pro, and a couple of things stand out just on the straight off unboxing is the top. It's not one of the fancy touch screens like the Turbo Tower Pro is. It's got physical buttons, but again they are quite nice. Right, let's have a look inside. So we have got top tray, and it has got a nice coating to it as well. And we've got the bottom tray. So actually not too bad size wise. And are these interchangeable, these trays? No. Yeah, no, so they're not interchangeable, but they are pretty much a similar size. And talking of size, we all like a good measure, so let's have a look. So it's 25 centimeters depth of the tray by 21, and it is 7.5 deep with the insert in. And this one, top one, is 25 by 21 by 7.5. So the baskets are exactly the same size. Even though they don't fit because of the shape of the front, the baskets are identical. Is that a good thing, or would you have preferred one a bit deeper and one shallower? let me know in the comments. Right, okay, so overall size of this thing, okay, height 36 centimetres, and the width is only 24 centimetres, and the depth of the actual unit is 30.5. With the handle adds another 7.5 centimetres, and then at the back, yeah, you'll see it's got 2 vents. Right, so let's plug it in. Right, so quick start guide. Okay, so we've got a cooking chart sticker. So you could have that stuck on your fridge or a utility on the back of a door, back of a kitchen cupboard door, so you could open the door. Yeah, and it's got all the different functions, all the different things you can cook, the times that you need to select. Then in here you've also got how to use the machine itself. Then in this one you've got sort of the safety advice, and then we've got the Turbo Tower Pro Compact 20+ recipe card booklet, and that is in loads of languages as well. There is also a QR code as well if you want on the sticker for more information and more ingredients as well. And don't forget, there is the VSync app as well. So this doesn't connect to the VSync app. However, there is still loads of recipes and things that you can use on that app with this. Right, I'll move you in, we'll switch it on, you get some close-ups and you can see what you think. Right, so let's turn it on for the first time. Okay, so switch it on, and then we're going to press number 1 for the top drawer. That's gone onto air fry at 190 degrees. So let's say we've got some chips in. We're doing them at 180, and time, let's knock it up to 20 minutes. Now let's say in the bottom drawer, I've got some roast chicken, and it's just some little chicken fillets or chicken tenders. I'm going to blast them at 200, and I'm going to put them up for say 15 minutes. This is where you then sync, and then when I press go, it'll start cooking the top drawer, but it'll hold the bottom drawer like that. So it's holding the bottom drawer but cooking the top drawer. I've got to say, it is fairly quiet compared to its bigger brother. It is definitely quieter. It's picking up a bit. Right, okay, so let's stop that. Let's turn it off, turn it back on. And now let's say you've got the same thing in both baskets. So let's say you're going to hit number 1, air fry, and you're going to leave it as that, but you want this bottom one to do the same. You hit match. Both have lit up now, and both are going to start cooking at the same time. Right, to give you an idea of how this literally stacks up against its bigger brother, There you go. Its bigger brother is definitely a little bit heftier. Look at that. So side by side, definitely. This one's definitely taller, definitely wider. Depth wise, not bad actually, depth wise, pretty much the same. So this one is 2,630 watt like power consumption, and it's 10.8 litres in size. Whereas this little one is also the same power as this one, but only 8.6. So power wise, if you're looking at that purely, then the Big Daddy is the one. However, does that mean that this packs more of a punch because for the size, it's got a load of power? I'm guessing it's down to your kitchen size, which would fit best. Also, if you'd like me to do a full review, like cook-off video between the two, let me know in the comments below. I am going to be using this one for the next video. So again, let me know what you'd like to see being cooked in this to give it a little test. Right, let's talk about price of this little one. So usually the big one is around the 300 mark, but it is currently on offer for £230 an hour. That is a bargain. This little bad boy is normally £170, but it's currently on offer for £140. So there's about, give or take, £90 to £100 difference currently in these two to buy. But again, I would say if you're buying this compact one, it's because you're tight on size. Otherwise, you're probably going to get this one. But if you're tight on size, I think this is going to be a cracker. And you may remember a while ago, I unboxed a tiny Cosori single drawer. That was going to go in my camper van that I'm still currently converting. If you're interested in camper vans, head over to my other channel, Camper Van Chaos Crew, where I'm converting a camper van, feature catto van into a camper van. I'm thinking this could go in it instead, because I've actually given my gran the other Cosori air fryer. She's 99 years old and she's got her first air fryer. That is unbelievable. Hi Gran, leave me a comment if you can. That'll be great. Right. Also, don't forget, my raffle is also live for the Skillcraft Vulcan pizza oven trailer that I've got. It's £5 a ticket. You could be the proud owner of an absolute beauty of a pizza oven, hand built here in the UK, over in the West Midlands. It's an absolute peach. Basically, it's the bigger daddy to this one, the bigger daddy to this Apollo that I've got behind me. You can just about see it. And this has been awesome. So yeah, the pizza oven tray's up for grabs as well. Another note on this one, it's not got as many heating elements. This has got 2 heating elements, whereas this one's got 3. So the bottom one has 2 elements and this one has a top element, whereas this has only got top elements for both as well. But yeah, I'm excited to try something in this, maybe something a bit different. Right, join me next week for another air fryer based video. Hope you have a great weekend whatever you're doing, and I'll catch you very soon. Make sure you drop me a comment, hit subscribe and the like button as well, and I'll see you again next week.